Khalifa International Stadium. England.
You don't want to lose your head, be nervous, too many sweaty palms. So
Cup field, some for the first time.
Form for Premier League leaders Arsenal this season has been outstanding.
Queiroz has made his statement very clear on the players he likes and who he doesn't.
For change in their country, none of them sang the national
anthem. Rafael Klaus of Brazil in charge. It's Iran into this contest.
Iran in all red here, getting us on by Manchester United this season only 3 times in the Premier League. Great. Trippier looking to get an early ball in here. Peace then for England. And it's too long for everybody. Maguire claims he was being fouled there. A lot of the...
with it. However, they did.
Current league leaders in the Premier League, Arsenal. Spread it wide. Sure to get the early cross away. Taken quickly by Trippier to Kane. Maguire arriving on the back post there, couldn't direct it goalwards. It was a bit of a flap by Baron Van, the goalkeeper.
Pretty even, however, the volume and cheering.
And the officials are giving Baron Van plays it out to Mason Mount. But it does kind of raise the question of why he was Brazil in the Amazonian heat of Manaus. It's Mohammadi again, but Jahan Bash, that was off the training ground, trying to fool slow early on.
Very happy with this. They came after England like this one time, turned them over, drew a foul, had a decent set piece. But
from around with Mohammadi. Now from one brilliant overhead bicycle kick goal against Chelsea. Saka trying to plot a way through, but it's congested with red shirts. Iran are. England have to find the invention. Saka to the near post, and Mason Mount into the side netting. Arrives. Headed on by Kane, it wouldn't drop for Trippier's ball in, and Maguire hits the bar with his header. Nearly a dream. Do just as good a job at left back. Sterling wide, Shaw with the early ball, and Bellingham scores for England. The teenager delivers his first England goal on the biggest stage of all. Great header, Landon.
Well, right on cue, Ian. He said Declan Rice was sitting there by himself, allowing Bellingham to get forward into the attack.
Who's next game? To be decided, isn't it? That's why there's no way back really from that, not realistically. Here's Bellingham again. Actually, they've got 5 strung across the midfield. That one's too long for... Saka is penalised for that. Shaw seeing a lot of the ball. Shaw with another cross. Maguire again won the header, and England go 2-0 up. And it's Bukayo Saka, another of the young players who delivers for England. Well, England look like they fancy this now. Kane gets an early ball in, and England have another one. Raheem Sterling this time. And this first half is turning into an England party. David Beckham among those celebrating. Trippier. Could drop again here for Saka again, marking the deep and frustrate England, but they've not really managed to be able to look to work the little 1-2 there with Matt. Sterling had made a run in behind, didn't quite get to him. There's Maguire again. At times it looks like one of those attack v defence. Faces Hashsafi this time, and an opportunity maybe for Jahanbash, which he does not take. It was England, no two ways about it. Shaw to play it in. It was aimed towards. Let's hand it back to Tom Rinaldi. Also coming on is Ali Golizade. That Iran have come out trying to high press England at the start of the half. As Saka rather left the ball behind for a moment. Kane to pick it up. He goes. They've nicked the ball away from him, but the referee's whistle blows, and there will be a. Yep. Here's Taremi again. And the big star at Port. He's very strong. Cut back, working well with Sterling. Real good chemistry between those two. Nice, good covering in that Iranian defence today. Saka again. Bellingham.
You score a goal early, it's easy to then sit back, try to.
Saka's got an opportunity. Working it onto that left foot as he likes to do, and scoring with that left foot as he likes to do as well. And England go 4 up. They're in dreamland here. Golizade, cue ball that, and Taremi strikes brilliantly. That was a lovely goal from the Iranians. Mehdi Taremi, and that lifts their mood. And all that as Gareth Southgate was waiting to bring on 4 players. That was a good goal.
We said before the game that when he scores,
His first involvement is an opportunity, and he might score with his first opportunity as well. Marcus Rashford, welcome to the game. 5-1 to England. This is extraordinary, really.
and it's almost a carbon copy of Saka's goal. Harry Kane showing off.